By the way, Egwukwa is out today. It's out now. Go wherever you get your music, go listen, go share it with your people. Yeah. And also my long-awaited book, yeah, Igommo 101 is out as well. I didn't want to rush it, man. As the song Egwukwa is saying, Ukwe Rugoge, yeah. So I didn't want to rush it. I took my time for what to write to come into my head. Well, no rush. The other way. So check that out. I said it's on Amazon, it's on Gumroad, it's on Seller. Yeah. So thank you again. Please help me push it. Send it to people who you know want to use it, want to listen to it, want to read the book. And if you have ways that we can collaborate, maybe publishing, any other way. If you're a publisher, if you want to fund it, if you want to give me a chunk of money and have some rights for a while, right? Hit me up. Yeah. Okay, Rugoge, may collaborate. I already collaborate with ndị na-eme ife mmụọ maka na onye ọbụla mụ na na-eme any agreement I ga no na mmụọ yota. I know they do agreements with person wey no say mmụọ na-egbu ewu kana mmụọ na-egbu ewu, and me I no go talk too much. If you want steal my shit you want steal wetin belong to mmụọ, I no go, and I me go fight and just be like I be one they make video about make we do juju against people wey dey kill Ekidemili. I can't be like you can't kill person pikin, you want make me go fight against that person wey dey kill person pikin when the father and the mother dey bad. So yeah, say less. May we partner, please. Let's partner, guys. Collaboration. May we get this movement to many people. Market day for this Igommo. Market day. Igbo people fool the whole world. So may we partner. Cheers.